So in this video, we'll see how to proceed with finding the best set of genes. So first you have to select a file, and I'm going to select the file that we have obtained from the pre-processing step. And then you can select the number of features to be selected. So here the default value is 50, and I'm going to keep it as 50, but if you want to change it, you can change it to any value. So, and then you have to select 3 feature selection methods. So currently there are only these 3 feature selection methods, so I'm going to go with those. So what is done in this step is that, so you have selected the number of features as 50, and so we are going to find the best 50 features from each of these methods. So 50 from PCA, 50 from random forest, and 50 from extra tree classifier. And then click continue. So in this page you will see an analysis of the results that you obtained from the previous step. So in the previous step you have selected 50 features each from random forest, extra tree classifier, and PCA. Venn diagram, it shows how these so you have got altogether 150 genes, so 50 from PCA, 50 from random forest, and 50 from extra tree classifier. And this Venn diagram shows how those 150 genes are interrelated. So if you take a look at this number 7 here, so 7 means that 7 genes have been found by the all 3 methods. And if you take a look at this 5, it means that 5 genes have been found both by PCA and extra tree classifier. And 33 genes have been found only by PCA. So if you want to look what those genes are, you just have to click on this, and here you will see information about each gene. So if you want to see more details on one gene, you can click more details here. So in this second set of graph, you will see the testing accuracies and the training accuracies. So here also you have used the 3 classifiers that we chose from the feature reduction step. In this step, the accuracies are for the 50 genes selected from each method. So if we take this bar, that means the blue color represents PCA. So you have an accuracy around 83 for the genes selected by PCA when tested with the SVM plus Gaussian kernel classifier. So this is what this graph represents. And as the last step, you have this list of selected features. So if you want to take a look at these gene names, you can see what are the genes selected from PCA and the random forest and extra tree classifier. Then after you have finished with this step, click analyze. So in this page, we'll see a thorough analysis of our results obtained. So we'll discuss about it in the next video.